Hey everyone, and welcome to Ride, Camp, Repeat. We're a family of four, well, five if you count the dog, and around here, we always count the dog. Our mission is simple. We want to explore every national park and national forest we can find, hitting the most exciting off-road trails along the way. But to get there, we need a rig that's up for the challenge. Today, we're walking through all of the modifications we've made to our Bronco so far to get it adventure ready. We started with protection and utility. To keep the body safe on tight trails, we added rough country trail cladding, along with our tailgate reinforcement to handle the extra weight. For that custom look, we went with Stickerfab for the Bronco letters and added their topographic vinyl accents inside and out. It really ties the adventure theme together. Speaking of the exterior, we also swapped in a Badlands winch hook and D-rings for whenever the trail gets a little too interesting. Lighting was a huge priority for us. We installed the Mabett Trailsight lights and Auxbeam 3-inch pod lights. To keep all that power organized, we're running everything through the Auxbeam 6-gang switch. On the inside, it's all about convenience. We added AIG door pockets for extra storage and the AIG Easy Lift to make handling the top a one-person job. Finally, to give the Bronco a more aggressive stance and better stability, we threw on 1.5-inch wheel spacers. We are absolutely loving how this build is coming together, but trust us, there's a lot more to come. We're just getting started on the upgrades and the adventures. If you love off-roading, camping, and seeing the best of our national parks, hit that subscribe button and come along for the ride with us. Thanks for watching Ride, Camp, Repeat. We'll see you on the trail.